Las Vegas, located in the state of Nevada, is a city renowned worldwide for its entertainment, casinos, luxury hotels, and show centers. Known by nicknames such as the gaming capital or the entertainment capital, Las Vegas is particularly famous for its upscale hotels and casinos lining the main thoroughfare known as the Strip. Las Vegas was founded in 1905 as part of the railroad construction. The city became a significant casino center in 1931 when gambling was legalized in the state of Nevada. From the 1940s onward, the city rapidly developed into a hub for the gambling and entertainment industry. Today, Las Vegas stands as one of the world's foremost tourist and entertainment destinations. Las Vegas is synonymous with its casinos. Massive hotels and casinos lining the Strip offer visitors a variety of gaming opportunities 24/7. Various gambling games such as roulette, poker, blackjack, and slot machines can be found in the city's casinos. In addition to the casinos, internationally renowned artists' concerts, captivating shows, musicals, and other entertainment events are frequently organized. Las Vegas hosts world-class luxury hotels and resorts for accommodation. Establishments like Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, MGM Grand, the Venetian, Wynn Las Vegas, and many others form large complexes that contribute to the city's iconic skyline. These hotels often have their own themes and unique architectural designs. Las Vegas hosts concerts and shows by globally acclaimed artists. Large-scale productions such as Cirque du Soleil take place in the city's showrooms within various hotels. Street performers and street performances also contribute to the city's vibrant atmosphere. Luxury shopping malls are situated within hotels and resorts along the Strip. Stores from globally recognized brands provide various options for shopping enthusiasts. Furthermore, Las Vegas is renowned for its many famous restaurants, offering examples from world cuisines. Las Vegas has a desert climate. While temperatures can be extremely high in the summer, winters are more moderate. Tourists typically visit the city during the summer, but Las Vegas also hosts numerous events and conferences throughout the year. Las Vegas is a unique destination for those seeking entertainment and casino experiences worldwide. The city has a dynamic structure that continuously evolves and rejuvenates itself through its casinos, shows, shopping opportunities, and luxurious accommodation options. With its unforgettable blend of casinos, shows, shopping, and upscale lodging, Las Vegas stands as a city providing a one-of-a-kind experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe.